In this video, you will learn how to create and modify a web form using Drupal. A web form is a tool that allows you to collect data from users. Some examples of web forms include RSVP forms, questionnaires, or any other data collection form. Even though Drupal will automatically set most required accessibility, some accessibility requirements, such as the order of form items, must be set manually. The order must be logical and flow well, like the example to the right, where the name labels are grouped together and email follows. In comparison, the example at the left is illogical because the name labels aren't grouped together, as email appears between the last and first name. To create a web form, begin by navigating to the Add Content button on the shortcut menu. Select Web Form. Before creating the web form, we need to give it a title and a body. What we type into the body will appear above the web form once it's complete. Select the correct group audience to add the web form content to before saving. The Form Components overlay opens. This is where we begin to create the form. The label is the name of the form item. For example, if we want the user's name, we call the label name. Another example is if we want their email, we call the label email. Let's name the label email for now. Select the drop-down box under the Type option and select Email. This way, Drupal knows that this label is meant for email addresses. After naming the label and selecting the type, click Add under the Operations column. The Edit Components page has more options for our form item. Some of these options include setting a default value to our label or giving it a description. Select Save Component after updating the component. Repeat the process until your form has the proper labels. Keep the order of your labels in mind when creating them. They must be in a logical and clear order. To change the order of your labels, click and drag the directional arrows to the left of the label name. You must save after reordering for the changes to be complete.